Hey, this video is for Angela, but it applies to all accordion students. It's how to provide accompaniment on two Edith PIaf songs. So, Angela, I read your email. Let's pull up L'Accordioniste and let's pull up Milord. And you're just providing accompaniment. You're not playing melody, I believe. Let me share my screen. I just pulled up the videos for L'Accordioniste. Let's have a listen. I haven't heard the song.
La petite voix est belle, au coin de la rue là-bas.
Let's listen.
Elle a une clientèle qui lui remplit son bar.
You can say it's in G minor.
Elle s'en va à son tour, chercher un peu de rêve dans un bal du faubourg. C'est un artiste.
So, let's keep listening. I don't know if there's a rhythm or it's just very slow. To da 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 da. If it's like this, we're gonna accompany the voice. Look at my unit on how to accompany voice. We're just playing the chords. G minor, ta da da da. Either just left hand, right hand does big chords as well. But let's keep listening. There is a rhythm. Let's keep listening.
Qui sait jouer la java? Elle écoute la java, mais elle ne la danse pas. Elle ne regarde même pas la piste.
So I don't know this song in general, but what I'm gonna do is da 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 da. This old recording is slightly out of tune. We can assume it's in the key of G major. And it sounds like a waltz. Pa, pa. I'm doing an alternate bass technique. Pa, 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 to A minor, it sounds like. To the D7. So it's a classic 1, minor 2, 5. Just like La Vie en Rose. Da 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 da. That's our one chord, our G major. To A minor, to D, 5 chord. Let's keep listening. To G major, waltz. A minor, D, G major. Again, G7, C major, D, G. Oh, back to minor. So this song does beautiful stuff. Edith PIaf, magic, right? As an accompanist, this is to Angela specifically, if you have 2 weeks to accompany, pull up the chords for the song, buy the sheet music or have a listen. It sounds like there's the slow part to the song, in which case you're just standing in the back and providing this backing, this padding. And the singer's going da 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 da. Essentially you're doing these sustained chords. And then you're gonna do some sort of walk down, or I'm doing G minor, F, E flat, D, and then the major part. Da 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 dee doo doo ba da 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 dee doo doo da 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 doo 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 da 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 da. G7 to C major to, I think she went D. And then another. Back to that slow part. That's in general what l'accordioniste sounds like. Practice with a person that's singing so that they know and you know when these big sustains happen, etc. Yeah, but again, get the chords and sheet music that work for the vocalist. Let's listen to Milord. I have heard this song before. I may have played it, but I don't know if I played it correctly. Let's have a listen. So, this song is an oompa, oompa, oompa alternate bass technique. Da-dee-dee-da-da-da to the G major, back to D major. We're going to the A to the D major, la-da-da G major, ba-da-da D major to A7. Let's listen. It's beautiful. So again, pull up the sheet, pull up the chord chart, because as an accompanist, you don't really care about the melody. That's for the singer or whoever's playing the melody. You're worrying about the D major to the G major to the D major to E to the A. Beautiful little jump to a 2 major 2. E major to A major, da 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 da. I remember there's a minor part, right? Yeah, here. To C major, beautiful. So the song turns just like l'accordioniste. It goes from a big, beautiful now we're in D minor. Your job as the accompanying accordionist. Where are we? Can be a D minor. I'm just playing a D minor chord, shuffling back and forth. Da 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 do do do. She's singing down to C major. I don't know where the song goes. I'm assuming it's gonna eventually go to da dee da dee da 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 da. My left hand's gonna do an alternate bass technique. My right hand is doing the pop pop. If this is too much for you to learn in 2 weeks, just follow along the bass charts with your left hand. Practice those chord changes. More advanced technique, practice your D major triads, your G major triads, your E major triads, and your A7 triads. Ideally without looking down. It's okay if you need to look down. 2 beautiful songs. As an accompanist, you're just there to support the melody and the singers. Left hand solo is just fine. Da 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 dee doo doo, da 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 dee dee doo, ba doo ba da ba dee doo doo. This is the singer. Da 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 da. If you can just do left hand with that alternate bass technique, wonderful. As long as you're into it, as long as you're keeping rhythm rather than right, make your left hand sing. That will make the biggest difference. Anyways, thank you for the request, Angela. Let me know if you have any questions. This is open to anyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.